Before we get in today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky, and in today's video, we're going to be heading to the Black Panther dimension. That's right, guys, and we're hopefully going to be meeting up with the Wildcat himself, guys. But before we get into this video, please make sure to hit that thumbs up button and that subscribe button, because I really love subscribers, guys. But what you're going to need to head to this dimension is you're going to need 10 black wool, and you want to place 2 of them just like that, guys. Then you're going to need fur white wool. You want to place 1 of those on each side of your black wool just like that, guys. I think this cow's taking lessons. Now you just want to go ahead and you're going to place 1, 2, 3 black wool, 1 white wool on top. Now you just want to go ahead and jump on down and then do the exact same thing on this side, guys, except place 2 in the middle just like that, and then 1 white wool, and boom, you are finished, guys. Don't that look absolutely amazing? That looks so amazing. That would make me want to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button, guys. If I wasn't already subscribed, I would subscribe. But let's go ahead and let's light this baby up, guys. Oh my gosh, I jumped on top of it. Let's go ahead and light this baby up. I just got too excited back there, guys. I just got way too excited. But let's go ahead and let's head on in to this dimension and meet the Wildcat himself, guys. Actually, he's the king of cats, to be honest. But let's go ahead and hope this loads up. And oh my gosh, whoa, that loaded up quick. And whoa, that is an absolutely humongous mansion. Wow, this is insane, guys. This is absolutely insane. Like, this is crazy, guys. Let's go ahead and head on in and see if we can meet up with the Black Panther himself, guys. And this is huge. He don't need all this house. He should give some of this house to me, guys, because I really need this house, to be to be honest, guys, to be honest. But wow, this could be my bedroom. He's not using it. He's obviously not going to use this bedroom. I could be watching TV. Maybe Smooth Marky. I know my pig loves to watch Smooth Marky on his TV. Ain't that right, pig? Are you just going to leave me hanging like this, dog? Wow, I cannot believe that. I'm going to end up turning that one into a hot dog if he keeps acting like that, guys. But let's go ahead and see the view from the balcony. Whoa! Oh my god, guys. It looks like that water is actually about to just, like, fall on this mansion at any time, guys. Just like, look at that water. It's like overlapping. That's crazy, guys. That's absolutely insane. Let's go ahead and try to find the Black Panther, though. Hopefully he is somewhere inside this mansion. This mansion's pretty huge, so it could probably take us days to find this guy, just considering how big this mansion is, guys. Hopefully we can find his cool ride and we can find his cool suits. That way we can just take on his identity and become the Black Panther. That would be pretty cool if he was the Black Panther, guys, because then we could go around kicking people's butts in our cool cat suit, guys. But let's go ahead and see what's around here. Oh my god, did he make a room for Spider-Man? This is Spider-Man's colors, guys, and he got the big T. I don't think T stands for Spider-Man, though, guys, so I don't know what's up with that. But wow, up there's an even better view. I think that's going to be my bedroom, guys. I'm just going to change the T to an S for Smooth Marky. That's what I'm going to do, guys. That's what I'm going to do. But let's go ahead and try to find this guy. Oh my gosh, right there he is. The Black Panther. Oh my god, how are you, Black Panther? Whoa, I love your futuristic suit. This must be his bedroom, guys. He got a pretty cool bedroom, but it's not as cool as my bedroom, is it, Black Panther? It is? You think it's better than my bedroom? Are you crazy? Are you crazy right now, bro? He thinks his bedroom's better than my bedroom. Well, you don't know what? You know what? I just have to prove that my bedroom's better than your bedroom by blowing your bedroom up with TNT. Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this, bro? I'm about to blow his bedroom up with some TNT right now, guys. Watch. He's looking pretty afraid of this, guys. He is. Like, right now, he's looking pretty afraid of this TNT. That's why I gotta do it. I gotta do it when his back's turned. Alright, bro. Alright. You just like looking at walls? What's your problem, bro? Why you just like looking at walls? I never met anybody that just likes looking at walls. Although one time I did look at a wall for 2 hours straight and didn't take my eyeballs off the wall, guys. That was pretty insane that I would even do that. But you know, if you make a bet with somebody, you got to honor the bet. So I had to do it, guys. But let's go ahead and blow this thing up, guys. Hopefully this is a massive explosion. Oh my god. Wow. Oh, wow. That really hurt, guys. That really hurt. The value of this house probably just dropped like 50%. And oh my god, now I'm in the basement. Obviously it dropped to the basement, guys. And whoa, where's all of his vehicles? I thought the Black Panther had like tons of vehicles. Obviously, he got them out before I blew up the mansion because he obviously knew that I was going to blow up the mansion because he can also see into the future, guys. The Black Panther, you guys might not know this, but that's why he's able to whoop so much butt is because he's actually able to see into the future. But if he would have really been able to see this, I think he would have stopped it. To be honest, guys, because we kind of wrecked his mansion. Just take a look at it, guys. It was big, nice, beautiful, and now it's kind of blowed up. But you know what? I'll just buff those scratches out for him later, guys. It's really no problem. You know, I'll do it for free. I won't even charge him for doing it. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, guys, and also let me know what you guys thought about the Black Panther down in the comment section below. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.